Alright guys, got a Hyundai Genesis. Customer wants muffler installed. This is the setup right now. It's got no muffler, it's got a wire going out. Just like that. Both sides. Two tips. We're gonna install this guy. Alright, finally got this done. This is what we did to it. Bang. That's how it looks from the back. The only way to get this muffler in was to make it like that. No other option. Okay, Mohit, fire it up.